In this video, we're going to explore ActiveCollab, a powerful project management tool designed to streamline workflows and enhance team collaboration. From the moment you sign in, ActiveCollab greets you with a sleek, user-friendly interface that makes it easy to jump into managing your projects. The homepage presents a clean dashboard with quick access to tasks, messages, and calendar events, making navigation seamless right from the start. You can quickly create a new project by clicking the New Project button, and you'll be prompted to name your project and set its details. Once you've created your project, you can start adding tasks and assign them to team members. ActiveCollab makes it simple to set due dates, priorities, and even attach files or notes to each task, ensuring everyone has the information they need to get the job done. The task management features are one of the most useful aspects of ActiveCollab. You can easily view tasks in multiple formats, such as a list, board view, or even a timeline. The timeline view, in particular, is fantastic for those who prefer to see the full scope of a project and how tasks overlap with each other. One of the highlights of ActiveCollab is its ability to track time. Whether you're billing clients or simply monitoring productivity, the built-in time tracking tool lets you log hours directly from the task view, which is very convenient. You could also generate reports to see how time was spent across different projects. ActiveCollab also integrates with various tools such as Google Drive, Dropbox, and Slack, making it a versatile choice for teams that rely on these services. The built-in messaging feature lets your team communicate without leaving the platform, reducing the need to switch between multiple apps. Many useful links can be found in the description of this video, so feel free to check them out after watching to explore even more helpful resources. Overall, ActiveCollab is a robust solution for project management, especially for teams looking for an easy-to-use yet powerful platform. Its wide range of features makes it suitable for both small teams and larger organizations, and the smooth integration with other tools only adds to its appeal. If you're looking for a tool to streamline your workflow, manage tasks effectively, and improve collaboration, ActiveCollab could be just what you need. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more reviews and tutorials.